So how can you send videos from the iPhone over to an Android device? Let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So I think the best way to go about it would be to download the app from the App Store, which is called Send Anywhere. And it is an app which you can install on both devices. If there is an update, make sure you get it. And as I say, you can also get it on the Android. I already have it installed in it there. And as I say, the point is that using this app, we have the ability to connect those devices even on the different platforms. So now when I go to the Photos app on my iPhone, and if I look up any video I want, I can click on Share and tap the Send Anywhere app. This is going to create the interface where it's going to come up with a code which is active for 10 minutes. And now I essentially can bring in here the Android device. By the way, below it is already saved because I used it before. Like a couple of Samsung phones are in there stored. So technically you don't have to retype it again because it's now saved. But I'm going to show it to you on this Android phone. We're going to get inside the Send Anywhere app. And in here, once it loads up, we want to switch over to the receive section and type in the key right there. So as you can see, the numbers are in here. So 549. So yeah, let me just retype that in quickly. But essentially, that's going to be a very reliable way to move files over. Once you have it, you can see that I clicked on receive. Now we just wait for everything to be completed. On the iPhone, we get the update screen of sharing it. You can see it's like 19 megabytes, so not too large. Generally speaking, it takes a while for it to get started. So, a minute or a couple of seconds until we begin the moving. So we have to wait for it. But then once it begins, then it's pretty quick to move the files over. So as you can see, the file is now being shared. So we just have to wait for it to be finished and we will essentially be able to access the video on the Android. As I say, it's not like ideal in the sense that we have some ads in between and in the process, but I still believe that it's worth it and good enough because, we can make sure that the video moves over into the Android without any problems. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. I'm going to wrap it up and I'll see you later.